Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from today's description above, this is all about the makeup I'm gonna wear this week. And these are the only products that I want to use, and I want to do that for a reason because I really want to test out what I have. You are gonna see so many videos coming. Don't worry, I'm trying to just get as much content on here as I can, and then we will come up with a regular planned schedule for when my uploads will come. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, it's linked below so that you can see all of my eye looks completed. I did do a video earlier on Deck of Scarlet, so this is the same eye look. We're just firing through videos today. So, without further ado, let's get into this. This is what I'm going to wear as my bronzer this week. I've decided only my butter bronzer. I use this all the time. I love it. I know I'm going to be happy with it. And I don't have a new one right now that I want to try. So, when in doubt, go with this one. So that's going into my makeup pile. I'm only using these items this week. Next up is my Marcel loose face powder. This is kind of the same deal as the butter bronzer. It's the only loose face powder I have at the moment, and I love it. And it's really nice. It sits on the skin nicely. I don't have any issues with it, and I've been using this for a long time, and I'm very happy with it. So we're gonna keep that in the makeup collection this week, just because I don't want to switch that and maybe hate my life or hate my makeup all week. Next up, so let's talk about primers and skincare for a second, because that's very important. I do have very enlarged pores. I'm working really hard to try and smooth that out. I've been using the No Pore Blem Primer from Touch in Soul. This is new. I got this in my recent BoxyCharm. So I will actually link that video below, so you can check it out as well. This is what I'm going to be using this week only as my primer because I really want to put it to the test. I want to see if it works, if it's worth the hype, you know, all that fun stuff. It comes in a pump. It feels nice on the skin. In comparison to other pore blurring primers, I don't know yet. I just haven't had that wow moment where I was like, yeah, like the Benefit Professional. I tried it the other day and I was like, holy crap, I need to buy this, and I'm gonna buy it. So, but I want to put this to the test first. That's gonna come next. So that's my primer for the week. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm rambling. Next up is a serum. I am really excited for this. This is from Hard Candy. This is the Sheer Envy Fix It Serum that hydrates your skin. Coconut oil and hyaluronic acid. Really good for your skin. I've been using this for a week now, and I am noticing that my moisture levels are a lot better in my skin. I'm not having as many dry patches. So this I'm keeping in the routine for at least probably till the end of the month, because I want to see, is this going to be something that I can use? It's very reasonably priced, and they had about 4 or 5 of them, so I'm going to go back to Walmart this week, and I'm probably going to pick up a few more to try in next week's videos and coming forward. Also, if you like the idea of this video, let me know. Leave me a comment below if there's anything you wanted to see here. Just, you know, let's be friends. Next up, we have Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Got this in my BoxyCharm as well, which the link is posted below. This is going to be a full week wear of only this mascara. I'm wearing it right now. I'm pretty happy with it. I didn't put a priming mascara on first, just this. I just curled my lashes and away we go. So this week might be, maybe I won't put so much makeup on. Maybe I'll just test this and see how it wears, because I want to be lazy. So this one I'm really excited for. And I gotta say, I really like the packaging. It's like metal, like it's hard. It's great. I got too excited. Next up, I will only be using my 3 Deck of Scarlet palettes this week for eyeshadows, blushes, and lipsticks. The reason for that is these videos will be coming up. I've already uploaded this one. These 2 are coming, so I will be doing a full look with just what's in these boxes, and those will be 2 more videos that you get this week. It could be 4. I'm waiting for something else in the mail, but we'll see. And I'll link that first one in the description box below. And next up for my foundation, I'm going to use what I always use. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in shade 122, which is creamy beige. I need to try more foundations. I know this, but I have a really hard time finding ones that I like because my skin sucks sometimes. So that's my challenge for this week, is that next week I'm going to have a different foundation to try. So that's my challenge to myself. So that's a good one. I know that I'm going to have a good week for makeup because I'm using something I always use. I will be using a lip liner this week, so it's just an Essence lip liner. It's in the shade, I'm going to read it upside down. Well, I don't know. Why can't I find it? Oh, Wish Me a Rose. Sorry, that took so long. So this is, I'm just going to use this as my liner because the Deck of Scarlet palettes do have lipsticks. They do not have liners. For my brows this week, I'm going to just use my AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil in medium brown. Got this from Shop Miss A. Watch for my haul videos because I do have 2 packages coming from them, and I'm really excited to unbox some new items that I haven't tried before. For concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. This is fairly new product for me. It is in the shade Light. I got this a couple weeks ago. I've used it maybe 6 times. I'm wearing it today. I'm pretty happy. I haven't had any issues since I've used it, but I really want to put it to the test because I do use my Maybelline concealer a lot, like this one, my Age Rewind, which, funny story, one day I'll tell you about that, why I used to hate this product so much, but I love it now. It's just, sometimes it's just the way you work things. So, but I'm really excited to try this out and see at the end of the week, next Sunday, what do I think? And just, I'm not wearing that this week, never mind. And for setting sprays, because I want to keep it a little bit more on the simple side, I'm just going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter because I've been using different setting sprays, and that's the next step. I went back to this one because I was having really, I don't know what was going on, but I was not having any luck with any other setting sprays. So I went back to this one. And so we're going to use this one for a week. And I'm going to take daily pictures. I'll follow my Instagram page. Everything's down below. And you'll get to see how the wear time is through the day. And if I liked it. But I know that this is going to hold my makeup in place and it's going to make me happy. So for the sake of this week, we're going to use this one. So that's all for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. That's okay too. Make sure if there's any comments, anything you want to see on this channel, just let me know. Welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any new videos. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.